Using the American Express Platinum card effectively can help you maximize its premium rewards and benefits. Here's how to make the most of it. Earn rewards. Travel. Earn 5 times membership rewards points on flights booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel, and on prepaid hotels booked through Amex Travel. Other purchases. Earn 1 times point on all other eligible purchases. Take advantage of travel benefits. Airport lounge access. Enjoy complimentary access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide, including the Centurion Lounge, Priority Pass, and Delta Sky Clubs. Hotel benefits. Receive benefits such as room upgrades, daily breakfast, and late checkout at fine hotels and resorts properties. $200 airline fee credit. Get up to $200 in statement credits annually for incidental fees charged by your selected airline. $200 Uber credit. Receive up to $200 in Uber cash annually for rides and Uber Eats in the US. Utilize additional credits. $100 Saks Fifth Avenue credit. Get up to $100 in statement credits annually for purchases at Saks Fifth Avenue. $250 digital entertainment credit. Receive up to $20 in monthly credits for eligible digital entertainment services. $300 Equinox credit. Earn up to $300 annually in statement credits for select Equinox memberships or the Equinox Plus app. Redeem points. Travel. Use points to book flights, hotels, and other travel services through Amex Travel or transfer points to airline and hotel loyalty programs. Other options. Redeem points for statement credits, gift cards, and shopping at participating retailers. Stay protected. Travel insurance. Benefit from travel protections like trip cancellation and interruption insurance, baggage insurance, and more. Purchase protection. Enjoy coverage for eligible purchases against damage or theft for a limited period.